What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So today we're going to do a very easy peasy DIY, do it your damn self, that is like DIY DS or Nintendo DS or 3DS or DSi or Psy, or I don't know why I'm doing this cycle. So today we're going to do a very easy and cheap DIY where you don't need to spend a lot of cash. And today we're going back in time to the 40s and 50s to recreate some iconic saddle shoes. Saddle shoes were a type of shoe that was very popular during the 40s and the 50s, especially in school, and I was mainly inspired to do this video by Karolina Zebrowska. I hope I pronounced it well, and I love this type of shoe. So actually I found 2 or 3 pairs of saddle shoes that I like online, but the only problem is that my budget is low and I'm saving money for other stuff. So right now you are broke, right? Yeah. And you want this pair of saddle shoes, right? Yeah, of course. So let's do this DIY. So for this DIY, you mainly need 4 things. You need a pair of basic white shoes, the ones that are similar to the Vans basic shoe style. Then you need a paintbrush. I have this large one, but also you need a small one for small details. And you need also black acrylic paint and white acrylic paint for the errors that you will do while you paint your shoe. And then you need also a pencil, yes, like this one, and that's all. So let's go. Welcome to DIY with Retro Azul. First, we are going to use your pencil to mark the paint section on both shoes twice. And fun fact, I'm a lefty, so if you're a lefty, comment below. So now, gently, you're going to remove the lace from your shoe. Faster, faster, faster! So now, paint gently on your shoe, like this gentleman is doing right now. And just feel the paint. Feel the shoe and relax and chill and go to another world. And sure, paint also on the back of the shoe, very gently, very gently. Now, paint the sole of the shoe, carefully, without errors. If not, you're out from this course, for real. Just wait and wait and wait until you are ready to rock these saddle shoes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when I put my next video. And I hope you like these saddle shoes. In the future I will do how to style your saddle shoes, of course, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Mission accomplished. Inspired from the do this DIY.